Barley Breed DIY Mommy Project 6-in-1 high chair project. Let's get it. First, we gotta get this box open, okay? Let's get this box open. Not too hard. You got the knife right there. Cut it open. That's what I'm talking about. Go, babe. All right. This is for real. We're trying to put this thing together. My voiceover is... How are you supposed to do this without knowing what? But I know what she's doing, but I've never done it before. So here we go. We're gonna take all the pieces out. We're gonna get this piece and that piece. Which one? Oh, this is the table. That's nice. No. What's this? Ooh, the seat. Cute, right? All right, can't wait to put that on. Oh no, that's the actual seat. That was the seat cover. All right, bet. So we know what materials we got, okay? All right, that's the bottom half of the seat. There we go. All right, now getting it put together. All right, take this plastic off. You know, read the instructions, ladies and gentlemen. This is just to show you what goes on when you're reading the instructions. So do a good job. We're not gonna give you all kinds of close-ups. So, all right, let's see what we got here. The legs. Very important. You want those legs to be on firm. You do not want them to be rocking back and forth. God forbid. We're not even gonna speak on it. So, all right, here we got the table. As you can see, it turns into two. I don't know why, but it does. So it's awesome. So, all right, here we go with the assembly part of the video. We're gonna go ahead and let's get these legs popping. All right, first you put in these two short bendy ones. All right, they look all right. Bet you can't find a hole. What's going on? Okay, yeah, there we go. Put it in there. Screw it on. Bet. Screw it in there. There you go. There you go. All right. You're embarrassing me in front of the audience. All right, now we get the base parts. All right, get those on there. This looks to be where we're gonna be putting the wheels onto them. So let's get that in there. Yeah. All right, nice and snug. All right, the final piece on the back. This is the wheel section. That was just the back of the chair. I know what I'm talking about. Just follow me. All right, so yeah, so boom, ace. Let's flip him over, babe. Let's flip him over. All right, next we got, we gotta put the seat together and put that on. We just had the base part, right? So let's get that going. Let's unfold all this, put it on there nice and firm. There's the little tabs in the back that you hook it to. That's always nice to have, right? Easy assembly. This is a 1-2 step, people. So all right, put the back on to the bottom. It's always a little, holes in the back. You can just shove it in there. No pun intended, adults. All right, what we got here? Okay, we're just gonna slide that on real gently, like. All right, make it happen, babe. There we go. Awesome. You gotta secure that little strap underneath. You gotta secure that. Make sure that both sides are in. Looks nice. Oh, we got ourselves a chair, baby. We got ourselves a nice sitting high chair. Sitting high chair. That's what I'm talking about. Kids are gonna love it. You're gonna love it. They're gonna be able to make all the mess they want, get it all over their face. It's great. These are the times that you want to take pictures of, record, and put on YouTube. This is why we do it. This is why we do it. Not just for us, but for you guys. Okay. So putting the finishing touches on, just making sure that everything's straight. Just there we go, flattening it out, boom, bap. And ladies and gentlemen, there you are. Look at that high chair. There's something special about that high chair. I want one of my own. Do they make adult size high chairs? They probably do. When I can get that one in that color. Yeah.
That's a wrap, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to meet my nerd man, just let me know in the comments below. I'll do an introductory video of ourselves. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out another video in this series.